So here is a chart of national. You can see this chart. This is a daily time frame. What we have, you can see it's currently trading around 85, and we saw there is a huge 8% jump in the price of this. So if you look at the trend of this particular stock, right? So this could give massive breakout on the upper direction. Why I'm telling you this? Because looking at the price action pattern, you can see when there is a dip, it gives a rally and it gives a rally. The rally will continue and it's always creating a newer high. It's creating a higher high. So there is a possibility it could create a new high for the September month, because there is a huge jump in the volume of contracts and a lot of people have gone long here, right? And you saw when it has broken the 50-day moving average, there was a huge jump in the volume of contracts. So these pro traders who have been trading in the F&O market, they look at all these signals. So when there is a huge candle, so that is giving confirmation that this will definitely go in the upper direction. So maybe it will go to 100. We can assume this is the upper level. So it's indicating a bullish. So how we can play out the momentum is, you can create a bull call strategy. You can just buy this and you can sell this. It's a simple strategy. It works really great. Even we traded the same strategies last month for the Bharti Airtel, for IndusInd Bank, and also some of the stocks what we traded. It gave very good results by using this analysis, by looking at the volume jump in the contract. So we are expecting a bullish momentum in this particular stock. Or maybe let's say if you are very new into trading, I would recommend you can just buy the equity here, buy the stocks, just hold on for 1 month, and you'll be getting at least 5 to 10%, 5 to 8% return, because we are expecting a momentum breakout, momentum on the upper direction. So this is the ways you can trade. Or maybe let's say if you are a conservative trader, I'll be showing the strategy, but technically I'm just showing what are the ways you can make. Or let's say if you're a conservative trader, sell the put option here and you buy the put option, so you're safe to trade. So now let us go to this particular stock, which is the Navin Floor. So this is also a stock where we saw the huge jump in the volume. You can see here that by looking at the price action itself, this is a huge breakout candle, and also you can see it's creating a newer highs, right? So definitely it will create a new high, and you can see the price action history repeats itself. That is what is price action. You can see it was fall, consolidation, and a rally, and you can see it created a new rally. So similarly, we saw the fall, consolidation, rally, and definitely it will go to newer highs. It will go to maybe this level and it will consolidate. So this is what we are predicting in the by looking at this price action, we can assume this is for Namin floor. It could go in the upper direction and it will face resistance. It will consolidate. You can see this patterns repeat most of the times. You can see for historically for last 2-3 years, it rallied, consolidated, and it rallied. So, but why we are selecting this? Because the volume is very huge in this particular stock. The volume jump was huge. This is a confirmation that it will go and create a new high, and it might break 4,000 level, because the volume is really huge in the candle of price action what we're looking. So it could be 400 and it can go to 400, 200, 4,200. Sorry, it's 4,000, 4,200 in the upcoming month. This is about Navin floor stock, what we're predicting by looking at the volume jump. So this is second stock. The third stock is sale. Even the sale is also a long build up. And if you look at the technical chart, right, it is at a very good level of support. And you can see the sale is at a very good level of support zone. Why am I telling you it's support zone? Because if you see the pivot line, it has created W bottom here, right? So in this condition, it could go up, but it cannot create a new high. Why am I telling you this? It cannot create a new high because the high created previously was lower than the previous high. So it's indicating a downtrend here. So if you just plot the lines here, if you just plot the lines here, if you just plot the lines on the downside, it could go up, but it will face resistance here and it will try to consolidate, right? So for this particular stock, because it is trading in the zone of 50-day and 200-day, we cannot assume it's a strong breakout on the upper direction. As simple as that, right? So sale, you can go for a neutral strategy, right? This is about the third stock. And now let me go for the Mindtree. Mindtree is an IT stock, and what we're looking here is, if you see the Mindtree here, okay, yes, Mindtree IT is rallying. It had a crazy rally. Even Infosys also had a crazy rally. TCS also had a crazy rally. So how can you participate in this rally? So you can see it's not the all-time high. So it's even it's very difficult because we don't know where is the top, where is the support and all. as it has rallied so much, so it's difficult to trade in this kind of stocks. So the best way which you can trade is you can just create a neutral strategy here on the upper direction with a lesser risk, right? So we can assume it will consolidate here because we don't know where the consolidation phase will start. So by looking at this trend, we can see it may go up, it will consolidate. So we can go for neutral on the upper direction. Call butterfly is the best strategy for the entry. So two stocks we saw that it's a bullish breakout, and two stocks it's a neutral momentum. So let me just go to strategy builder here for this stock. It's a simple strategy, but it works really great on this kind of stocks where we are seeing momentum breakout. So you can just invest around 60,000 to 1 lakh and you can get a very good return. It's close to 20,000 return you can get in this stock, and it's having a high probability of profit. This is for national aim. This is a strategy what we are predicting for the, let me just make note of it, for one lot. And you can try to experiment in the paper trade also, not necessary that you need to trade this. And for the other stocks, you can go for a call butterfly strategy. The third one is about the sale. For sale, you can go for call butterfly. Just go for this, and let's say you can sell 130, and you go out of money call butterfly. Don't create at the money call. You just go for out of money call. This is what a strategy which you need to create because we're not very sure about the momentum which could continue in this particular strategy. So this strategy is it will work really great for the sale. And for the next one is about sorry, I was a little quick in this. Let me just do this. The last one is the mind tree. Even for mind tree, you can just go for the same call butterfly. You can just sell slightly out of money call two lots, and you buy one lot. So these kind of strategies will work really great for the stock options by looking at this particular strategy. And even for the last month also we traded the same strategies and we got very really good strategy results. So we'll be sharing all this analysis. Maybe I'll be sharing this whatever we traded in the discussion forum, and you can please do comment or please do reply. I'll be sharing all this whatever I taken all the data. I'll be sharing these strategies of in the discussion forum so that you can do the analysis and you can able to take benefit from this analysis. So we'll be having a Q&A session now. Please let me know if you got any questions. Otherwise, we'll post any queries, or maybe if you haven't taken any trades, we'll be answering that. Sometimes there will be delay, but definitely we'll be answering all the things in the public forum. Please do drop your review by the end of this. What was your learning, so that it helps us to get the feedback of whether you're learning or not. Please do share your feedback.